Jessen, you're not late today. My name is Tina DeLint. I'm a teacher at St. Michael's School in Pincher Creek, where I teach grade 4. I actually went to school in this school as well as a student, and then went on to the University of Lethbridge and got a degree in education. And my first teaching job was back here, which was odd just because I became a colleague of teachers who had taught me. I left for a few years and I've been back for a few, so that's kind of my teaching career in a nutshell. My areas of specialty, I have a degree in phys ed with 2 minors, one in social studies and one in English. But even as odd as it sounds, my favorite area to teach is math. So I think that's probably my strongest area. I do a lot of phys ed as well, and I volunteer coach basketball. I have for about 15 years now, so I do that as well.
Oh, so I just have to choose one of these?
One of them. Did you think you had to do all of them? Okay, Sydney had an interesting question. Teachers are required to do many things. Alberta Learning sets forth some standards that we must meet every year. We must do professional growth plans as well as year plans that are submitted to the school and are available for parents to see on request. That would be the year plans. I do lesson plans every day for every lesson that I teach. I'm required to provide assessment measures that are meaningful both to the students and to the parents, so they know how their children are doing. Just needing to be well prepared every day is very important. Well, I think the rewards are many. I get to come every single day for 10 months of the year to a great place, and no day is ever the same. And the kids are awesome and wonderful. They challenge me, and hopefully I challenge them. When they struggle with problems and then find success or can apply strategies that we've worked on in class and make those connections, that's when you know that what you're doing is meaningful. And so when I can come every single day and see that happen, I'm pretty lucky.